So this is exactly how I was able to fix lag on my Waterpark Simulator. So firstly I went to settings here on my PlayStation 5 as you can see, and then on settings I went to network and then settings and then set up internet connection. And then in here on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, as you can see, we need to click on this button right here and then click on advanced settings. Then make sure to set the DNS settings from automatic to manual here as you can see, and the primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS should be 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK in the bottom right corner. Then just wait for it to finish the process here. So we need to wait for it to finish. And now once it's finished, then what you need to do is to go to users and accounts, click on other and click on restore licenses. Then select Waterpark Simulator and click on restore in the bottom right corner. So we're just gonna take us a couple of seconds and now it's finished as you can see. Then you can now go back and try once again. This completely fixed it for me and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.